Welcome to Pew Class. In Pew Class, we talk about PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word. So if you're new to the channel, kindly hit the red bell subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post awesome videos, you will be among the first to be notified. Thank you. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to use autofill handle in Microsoft Excel. How to use the fill series in Microsoft Excel. So if you look at this, my Microsoft Excel now, you notice that we have the rows, which are the one numbers, and the column, which are the alphabet. This rows numbering will not appear when you want to print your document. For instance, if I click on File and go to Print Preview, I'm not going to see the numbers there. So if I want to put those numbers, maybe I want to number my work, so I'm going to either fill it number by myself, 1, 2, and so on, until you get to the desired number, or you can just use the autofill by selecting the two numbers. First of all, you have to write up to two numbers. If you select the two numbers, then you click on this square here, this square shape here, and drag it down. That is the autofill handle. Once you're dragging it down, it's filling it automatically. You can see that. So you can see that this is basically how to use the autofill. Another thing is that if you type in only one, let's say you type in only one, you didn't add the second row, because when you add the second row, it tells this cell sheet that you want to do autofill in terms of increasing by 1. But now if you look at this, if I drag this down, the autofill handle down, is going to fill in 1 Now once it fills in 1 the best thing to do, instead of you erasing it and starting again, you click on these few options. You come to this and click on fill option. You see fill series. Once you click on fill series, it's going to fill in the series for you. So that is basically how to use the autofill series for numbers. Okay, so this is it. Now if I use the print preview, now I can easily print this number. Go to file, go to print preview. You can easily see those numbers. You can see that. So that is it. So another thing is that you can also use the autofill for month. You can say month. You can even use it for Monday, Tuesday. Okay, I don't really need to add 2 here. In this case, it's already specified, so I just come down here and click on it. Once you do that, it fills in Monday to Tuesday for you. So I can come over here also and use maybe the short form for Monday, which is MON. So I can also use that. Come to this autofill handle, click on it, and come to the autofill handle and drag it down. Once you drag it down, it also fills it in short form. The same thing with the years. You can still do that for years. January. Once you do that, you come to the autofill handle here, click on the autofill handle. It does that for you also. So you can still do that for the short form of the January. Do that, you come to the autofill handle, you drag it down, it also fills it for you. So this is basically how to use the autofill to make it easier and faster for you. Now in this Monday, probably you don't want the weekends to be included. You don't want to include the weekends. You can just come over to this place, the formatting. You come over here. Once you click on it, you say few days, or if you want weekends only, say few weekends. You want weekdays, few weekdays. You click on few weekdays. In that case, you will not see Saturdays and Sunday. You can see that no Saturdays and Sunday. Now there's so many things you can do with the autofill options. Click on it, see few days. Once you click on few days, you can see that Monday. Okay, so this is basically how you can use the autofill function. So if you come to January also, so come to January, go to this. If you have an option, you can see that. Come to days. Another method is if you want to leave it in maybe you don't want it to be in 1, 2, 3 and so on, you can just say you want it to be in this form 2, 4 in tools. If you want it to be in tools, you just select this tool in tools. Now this tells the Excel that you want it to be in tools 2, 4, 6, 8. So once you do that, you drag it down. Once you drag it down, you'll be seeing 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So this is basically how you can use the autofill function in Microsoft Excel. So another one is this. If you don't want to use this, you can come over to this place. You can come over here, click on type in 1. Once you type in 1, you click on it, then you come to fill. You see fill here, click on fill. Then if you click on series, click on series. You see you want to fill the series in what? Column. You click on column. You want it to be linear. So want to step fill in from 1 to, maybe you want to fill in 1 to 1000. Let's say 1 to 1000. Once you do that, you're going to click on OK, and it's going to fill for you automatically up to 1000. So this is basically how you can do that. The same thing you can still do it for that of 2, 4. So once you click on 2, you go to the fill. Click on fill, go to series. Once you go to series, you click on column. You can still do it row wise. To click on column, then the first one will be 2. Let's say 120. So you click on OK. Once you do that, it's still going to appear in 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on and so forth up to 20. So this is basically how you can use the autofill. You can still do it row wise. So if you want to do it row wise, you have this. So you just drag this to row wise, and it's going to fill it for you automatically. So this is it. So this is basically how to use the autofill. And upcoming videos, we're going to talk about how to add your own autofill, which is the advanced fill effect in Microsoft Excel. Advanced fill in Microsoft Excel. So thank you, and see you next time.